Welcome, future financial wizards, to the Crypto Trading Masterclass, your one-stop YouTube channel for everything crypto, from Bitcoin basics to advanced trading strategies. We're here to demystify the world of cryptocurrency and put you on the path to digital wealth. So buckle up and let's start our crypto journey together. Did you know that over 300,000 Bitcoin transactions are processed each day worldwide? It's a staggering number, isn't it? This remarkable feat is made possible by the fascinating world of networks and blockchain technology. In this intriguing universe, each transaction is a story, a unique journey from sender to receiver across a vast network. And the star of this journey? The Bitcoin network, a marvel of technology that operates using principles that might surprise you. So dive in to uncover the magic behind these transactions. A network, in the simplest terms, is a collection of interconnected devices that can communicate and share resources. Picture a bustling city with its roads, bridges, and intersections. In this metropolis of technology, the buildings represent devices or nodes. These nodes can be as personal as your smartphone or as expansive as a data center. The roads are the wired or wireless connections that allow these nodes to communicate, while the bridges are the routers and switches directing the flow of information. Now, each building in our city has an address. Similarly, each node in a network has a unique identifier. This could be a network address, a host name, or even a MAC address. These identifiers ensure that data sent across the network reaches its intended destination. So a network is essentially a web of communication and resource sharing. It's a bustling cityscape humming with digital life, each bit and byte traveling along its own path to contribute to a larger collective dialogue. The Bitcoin network is not your average network. It's a specialized peer-to-peer network that follows the Bitcoin protocol. This protocol implements a highly available, public, and decentralized ledger. Unlike traditional networks, there's no central command or point of failure in the Bitcoin network. Instead, it's a constellation of equal nodes, each verifying that all updates to the ledger adhere to the rules of the Bitcoin protocol. This decentralization is one of the Bitcoin network's key strengths. It makes the system robust and resilient, able to withstand shocks and disruptions. But what does this network do? Well, it's all about transactions and mining. Users broadcast cryptographically signed messages, which are proposed transactions using Bitcoin wallet software. These transactions could involve a single sender and receiver, or require signatures from multiple parties. Regardless of the type, each transaction is verified by the nodes in the network. Then there's mining, a process unique to the Bitcoin network. Miners package groups of transactions into blocks and produce a unique hash code. If the block's hash is valid, it and its ledger changes are added to the blockchain. This not only rewards miners with Bitcoins, but also secures the Bitcoin network by making it difficult to tamper with the blockchain. Thus, the Bitcoin network is a resilient, robust system that facilitates secure financial transactions. The Bitcoin network facilitates the transfer of Bitcoins from senders to receivers. Now, you may be wondering how exactly this happens. Well, users broadcast cryptographically signed messages, which are proposed transactions to the network using Bitcoin wallet software. These transactions are then verified by the nodes in the network. There are different types of Bitcoin transactions, such as standard transactions and multi-sig transactions. Standard transactions involve a single sender and a single receiver, while multi-sig transactions require signatures from multiple parties to be validated. Additionally, the Bitcoin network performs a crucial process known as mining. Miners package groups of transactions into blocks and produce a hash code. If a miner proposes a block and its hash is valid, the block is added to the blockchain. For their work, miners are rewarded with Bitcoins. This not only incentivizes miners, but also strengthens the security of the Bitcoin network by making it difficult to tamper with the blockchain. In essence, the Bitcoin network is a secure, transparent system that revolutionizes the way we carry out financial transactions. In the last scene, we briefly touched upon the concept of Bitcoin mining. Now let's delve deeper into this intriguing process. Bitcoin mining is the backbone of the Bitcoin network. Miners solve complex mathematical problems to add new blocks to the blockchain. This process is not only essential for transaction verification, but it also introduces new Bitcoins into circulation. Imagine miners as auditors, verifying the transactions of Bitcoin users and ensuring the legitimacy of information. Their reward? Newly minted Bitcoins. The process begins with miners collecting several pending Bitcoin transactions known as a block. They then compete to solve a difficult mathematical problem, which involves guessing a 64-digit hexadecimal number known as a nonce. The first miner to solve the problem announces it to the network. The other miners then verify the solution, and if it's correct, the block is added to the blockchain. But why is this process called mining? Well, it's akin to gold miners investing their resources to dig up gold. Similarly, Bitcoin miners invest their computational resources to dig for new Bitcoins. It's a race, a competition, and only the fastest and the luckiest miners get the reward. Bitcoin mining is a crucial process that ensures the security and smooth functioning of the Bitcoin network. It prevents double spending, maintains the supply of Bitcoins, and keeps the network decentralized. So the next time you make a Bitcoin transaction, remember the army of miners working behind the scenes to secure your transaction. Stay tuned as we explore more about this exciting world in our next video. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Crypto Trading Masterclass, to stay ahead in the world of crypto. We appreciate your support and look forward to providing you with valuable content that will help you navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Networks, whether they are computer networks or the Bitcoin network, play a crucial role in our digital lives. They are the highways that facilitate communication, enable resource sharing, and in the case of Bitcoin, allow for secure and decentralized financial transactions. We've journeyed from understanding the basics of networks to delving deeper into the robust and decentralized world of the Bitcoin network. We've seen how this digital ledger verifies transactions and even rewards miners with Bitcoins for securing the network. This is not just about Bitcoin, it's about the potential of blockchain technology to revolutionize the financial industry. Just imagine a world where transactions are more transparent, secure, and not controlled by any central authority. Now that you have a better understanding of networks and the Bitcoin network, why not try making your first Bitcoin transaction? And remember, if you're curious about the future applications of blockchain technology, stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content.